how to fix Valorant freezing in-game problem isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click on Valorant and then go to properties. Once you're here, go to compatibility. Now go to change settings for all users. You will find it like that. First click run this program in compatibility mode, select Windows 7. After that, click run this program as an administrator, click apply and OK again. And after that, all you need to do just right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait. And here click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply and then close this window. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.